Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Smelina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and dolls. But today we're gonna do a plant unboxing. This is not regular tropical plant. I'm taking a break from tropical plants and I ordered some carnivorous plants, specifically Nepenthes. I love me some pitcher plants. Picture plan. Today we're doing a Nepenthes unboxing from eBay. So if you guys want to see which Nepenthes I got in this box, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you guys already fell in love with my personality, you can follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's unbox this package that has Nepenthes. Okay, you guys, so I ordered this package from eBay and I got it today. I've been waiting to unbox it with you guys. I haven't unboxed it. It's been sitting here since today. It's been a couple hours. It's almost like nighttime. So it's been a while since I've ordered Nepenthes. I think the last order was from Todd's Tropicals. It definitely was Todd's Tropicals. The other last time I ordered Nepenthes was from Carnivoro. Carnivoro's pictures are doing really good, and Todd's Tropicals, unfortunately, I only have one. The other one suffered root rot and it got dry and it was my fault. But I'm learning. Nepenthes are pretty hard. So with that being said, I decided to buy more Nepenthes. I plan to have a brand new setup that I found, a new system that I ordered too, that I'm gonna get in a couple of weeks. Hopefully it's from Le Gros. That's coming in the mail. But yeah, I plan to try their setup, so I said let me get some Nepenthes to try the Le Gros setup. It's interesting. It claims to have 80% humidity with enough light for them to grow. So anyways, that's a whole different video, but I said let me get on eBay. So I went back to Todd's Tropicals and he had two Nepenthes that were kind of like in the 40s, 40-ish, 30, 40, 50 range. He had two, but I don't know, like when I glanced through the eBay, like the Nepenthes, I just typed Nepenthes Vietchi because I love how they look. The little pictures are, they just, that's what people look for. Vietchi, and like with the teeth and all that. That's what I type on eBay. So I was going through the list and what they had, and Todd's Tropicals, like the Nepenthes weren't really calling my name, so I kept glancing and then I stumbled upon a seller was named Picturesque, I believe. I fell in love with a lot of their Nepenthes. I've never ordered from them, but from their store on eBay, I fell in love with a lot of their Nepenthes. Good selection, good size, and they had a lot of Vietchi. So I ordered three. Two are at Vietchi and then the other one is not, but I just fell in love with the picture. I got three Nepenthes, I believe, for like 114. So for each Nepenthes, the seller had like $10 for shipping on each a plant. So I said, no, let me message the seller and see if they could do combined shipping. I contact the seller and lo and behold, he messaged me back saying, of course we can do that. But then there was an issue here in Dallas, Texas with the weather. We were having snow. It lasted about 2 days. I didn't go to work and all that. So He asked me if I wanted a heat pack, which I agreed. And he also said, do you want to wait for me to ship them, or do you want me to go ahead and ship them? And I told him, of course, wait till next week, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, and anyways, they're here. So enough rambling. Let's do the actual unboxing, and I'll tell you the names of each Nepenthes that I got, and we're gonna go through. Okay guys, so here's the package. I love that they put a little sticker that says live plant handle with care. So here's how the package came in. They put this big bubble popper, and as y'all can see, here are the goodies. He taped some heat pads on the sides, and let's see. Okay, another bubble. We appreciate that. And let's take out the Nepenthes slowly. Oh my god. Here we go. These are the little Nepenthes. Let me get it out of the packaging. Oh my god, this is nerve-wracking because you don't want to hurt the plant. So it has their logo right there, picturesque. I believe the QR code gives you information on your buy. Don't want to hurt any of the pictures. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys, so this is Nepenthes Ramaspina times Sigalana. I think I'm saying it right. And oh my god, look how pretty. Look at the hairs. So the pictures come out a beautiful reddish pinkish color, and then they fade to a wine color, and then like when I guess they die off, because this looks like it's gonna die off, they turn like really dark licorice black. But oh my god, look at the Nepenthes itself. It's sun-stressed. I love how they are sun-stressed. I'm gonna free it out of this more tape and packaging, and it looks like it has some moss. I like when they have moss, to be honest. So I'm gonna try to be careful, because what if this plant has babies or something? Oh, it definitely has some moss, you guys. Look at it, and it's so green. So it's like I'm getting free moss with my plant. I love it. I definitely gotta wet the moss because she's dry, but the plant looks very healthy other than that picture dying. Here's the first Nepenthes. Do y'all like it? First Nepenthes again was the Nepenthes Ramaspina times Sigalana, and it's the BE 3829. So, hey you guys, the price for the Nepenthes Ramaspina times Sigalana, that one was $32.48 according to my notes. Two more Nepenthes. This one is Nepenthes Rob Cantley times Vietchi. Rob Cantley, supposed to be like a pink and green. This was $43. This one actually comes with 2 pots. So I guess free pots, but we're gonna. I definitely. It's crazy. You can see a little bit of sprouts of something growing out. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Wow. Oh my god. So I can definitely see a cute little picture right here. It's definitely fat and pretty. Let me go through these pictures. Oh my god. So I love the inside of these pictures. They're like spotted. They're spotty. They're like, I don't know how to describe it. It looks like a lime green with some like red, but from far away they look pink almost. So, and I love how the leaves are growing. They're like, compared to this one, let's see, look. This Nepenthes is obviously sun stressed, and this one is like, the picture's growing red, but the leaf stays green. I don't know. They're so cute. They're like so different. I'm guessing because this is a Vichii, it grows different, but there's one picture right here, two right here, and three. The biggest one is so cute, you guys. It's a little fat picture. Oh my god. And this one's more spotty. This is the smallest picture and it's still pretty big, and this is a medium-sized picture, and then it's growing some sprouts. I don't know what the hell that is. It looks like some type of moss, but we love it. So we're gonna let this free, but yeah, like I think it's not pink. I think just that the contrast of the green the outside and then the spottiness red on the inside make it look pink from far away. So it's just a special one. I definitely love this one. So let me get it out of the packaging. In the pictures they looked a tad bit bigger, but it's definitely a good size compared to like Carnivoro, no shade, but yeah, for the price, these are well worth it, you guys. And you get free moss. Let me take the napkin out. I'm happy he puts like little pieces of napkin because that keeps the plant moist, as y'all can see. And she definitely needs a drink of water. But yeah, again, this was the Nepenthes Robcontalai, and this was the more expensive one, and I can see why, because the pictures are so pretty. Let's do a comparison. They're so different and so unique. Yeah, I love them both. These pictures are obviously longer than these, and these are more of a little jug tub little Nepenthes. Last Nepenthes that I got was Nepenthes Vietchi times Platychila. This is supposed to be a green brownish Nepenthes with some hot pink, according to the picture, but it could be just the lighting, but definitely pink. So okay, guys, so I have a feeling I'm gonna like this one too, and it's probably gonna be my favorite because I love the color of it. But we'll see, we'll see. This one, let me tell you the price. This one was $37.89, so almost the same, like the second most expensive one. Anything going out? Okay, let me get the tag out. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, this one is so pretty too. This one reminds me of the other one with the skinny pictures, but wow. It's definitely so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Wow. It's crazy how the pictures are all different. Okay, here she is. Look at the pictures. Definitely, I guess it does look like it would be like a hot pink right there. It's definitely, yeah, I would say it's like a purplish pink. And then like the contrast with the green, it definitely reminds me of this one, but just like reverted, I guess, because this one has all the spotting and the redness all inside, and this one has it on the outside, but it has a longer shape than this one. But they're both Vichii, so I guess we'll see. But yeah, she's definitely a long, I'll call it a long boy because it has long pictures, but oh my god, I love it. Let me release it. And this one again has 3 pictures. I feel like they all have at least 2 pictures. So that's good. That's good about this shop, that they give you Nepenthes that have pictures. Okay, let's take the tape out. Alright. And let me, oh my god, I'm trying to be careful and not hurt any of the pictures or anything. Okay, I took the napkin out. And look at the sun dressing too. I love that the new leaves on the Nepenthes come out very red. Very, very red. So I feel like it kind of has correct characteristics of this one, because the pictures come out like very pinkish red. But then it also looks like this one, so it's a mix of both. And it looks like the first one because of the long pictures. But anyways, yeah, this one also comes with moss. A little bit less, but yeah, looks healthy as well. It has picture coming on the way, and yeah, there she is. This is the last picture plant. And let me put the tag back for this one. Again, this one is the Nepenthes Vietchi platychilla, and it has the long, long pictures. Oh, yes, you guys, I can't wait to plant these. Okay, you guys, so here are all my Nepenthes. This is gonna be a temporary home until the LeGros system comes in, but as y'all can see, they kind of fit. They fit a little snug. They're all touching each other. But yeah, they fit in there because I want these to get a lot of humidity. Here they are. Let me get them out for y'all one last time so y'all can see, and I'm gonna try to place them how they were so I could just put them back like they are. So which one was your favorite, you guys? Did y'all like the first one? She's so dark and cute and red. Did y'all like the second one with the tubby little pinkish pictures? The more expensive one? Or did y'all like the last one with the long pictures? I don't know. I like them all, you guys. But yeah, shout out to Picturesque. I love my new Nepenthes. They're all so beautiful. They arrived really good and healthy. Thank you. I'm definitely gonna buy more from this seller. Definitely reach out to them if you guys want Nepenthes. He had a bunch, variety and everything, different price ranges, more exotic looking ones. So yeah, reach out to them. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated and see how they do. Hopefully my LeGros system comes in the mail so I can show you guys and repot them in their pots. In the meantime, they're gonna be in this little terrarium that I'm placing upside down so they can fit. My name's Melina. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye, guys.